Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're unpacking a really foundational text in cybersecurity, the Web Application Hacker's Handbook.
Yeah, it's often called the Bible of web application hacking, and honestly,
Yep.
for pretty good reason.
Exactly. So our mission today is to figure out why. Why does this book, co-authored by Dafydd Stuttard, who also created Burp Suite, which so many people use.
Yeah, Burp Suite's huge.
Right, and Marcus Pinto, both professional pen testers. Why does it still hold so much weight for anyone trying to understand, find, and, fix security flaws in web apps? So let's get into it. What makes this handbook, different? Why isn't it just another tech manual off the shelf?
Well, I think what's really fascinating is its core philosophy. It sort of redefines hacking. It's not just about running known exploits. It
Right.
frames it as the art of creative problem solving. It teaches you how, and crucially, why these sometimes really arcane hacking techniques actually work.
Okay, so it's not just a recipe book.
Not at all. Like, instead of just showing you the steps for a basic SQL injection, it really breaks down the database logic behind it, how the web app talks to it,
Right.
which lets you spot similar weak points, even in systems you've never seen before. That deep understanding, that's the key takeaway.
That makes sense. Moving from just how to how and why,
Yeah.
that sounds like it builds a much more adaptable mindset.
Yeah.
So crucial in security.
Exactly.
But how does that translate into like a practical method? How does this help you actually secure applications day to day?
Well, connecting it to the bigger picture, it's about building what they call a proven methodology. It combines human smarts and creativity with the power of computerized tools.
Okay, human and machine.
Right. It's a systematic thing. You map the app first, really understand its structure, its hidden corners, then you analyze it, plan your attack vectors, and then use techniques like automating custom attacks. And yeah, often with tools like Burp Intruder, which, like you said, comes from Dafydd Stuttard's Burp Suite.
Bringing the tool connection back in.
Yeah, it's about having this versatile toolkit both in your head and on your machine.
Okay, so once you've got that mindset and the method down, what kinds of vulnerabilities does it really equip you to tackle beyond maybe the common stuff we always hear about?
That's a really important point. Because, yeah, it covers a huge range, but with real depth. Sure, you've got your authentication flaws, session management issues, access control problems.
Well, fundamentals.
Right, the fundamentals. And obviously code injection, like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS. But it doesn't just stop there.
Okay.
It really dives into subtle things like logic flaws, exploiting errors in the application's actual business logic.
Well, that sounds tricky.
It is tricky because it's not about bad code necessarily, but about making the system behave in ways nobody expected. Super hard to find without that hacker mindset. It even covers broader system attacks, how to bypass client-side controls that might look secure but really aren't.
And for people wanting to, as the authors say, get their hands dirty, which is basically everyone in this field, right?
Yeah.
What practical stuff does it offer? Theory is one thing, but practice.
Practice is key, absolutely. And crucially, they provide hundreds of interactive try-it vulnerability labs right on their website, MDSec.
Oh, wow. Hundreds.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's not just some appendix. It's like a core part of the learning. It lets you actively practice everything, apply the concepts from the book in a safe space. It really extends the learning beyond just reading.
It sounds like a whole ecosystem, not just a book.
Pretty much. It's like a dedicated playground to mess around and really master the techniques.
So, yeah, the Bible of Web Application Hacking, it's clearly not just a catchy name. It really speaks to its lasting impact. It's less about fleeting tricks, more about foundational knowledge.
You hit the nail on the head. Its relevance, years after publication in such a fast-moving field, that tells you something vital. It underscores that in cybersecurity, truly understanding the fundamental principles, having adaptable methods that last way longer than just knowing the latest tool or exploit, this book helps build that solid, timeless foundation.
Food for thought there.
Definitely. And maybe that leaves us with a question for you, the listener. As web tech keeps racing ahead, single-page apps, serverless stuff, even AI finding its way in, how might these core principles from the handbook, principles about understanding vulnerabilities, not just running exploits, how might they stay relevant for securing whatever comes next?